Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And in today's video we are heading to Hobby Lobby to check out all of the things that they have out for Christmas 2022. In today's video, I am collaborating with one of my very best friends, Kaylin Cash. She not only is a friend here of mine on YouTube, but we are actually really good friends in person. And every single season, we like to hit up Hobby Lobby and just share with you guys all of the things that they have out for each season. So today we are heading to Hobby Lobby, going to check out all the things that they have out for Christmas 2022. And I'm going to be sharing all of my favorite things that I found throughout the store and just things that I really enjoyed and I think would be really pretty to incorporate into Christmas decor if you like that traditional Christmas style like I do. And then afterwards we are going to be coming right back here and I'm going to be sharing a haul with you guys of the items that I picked up. If you are from Kaylin's channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing today. Like I said, I do share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. I absolutely love decorating my home, very budget friendly, and I have kind of an earthy palette. I don't even know how to explain it. Just very earth toned, and I like to incorporate lots of natural elements. I have a little bit of an industrial style as well. It's actually a European farmhouse style, so kind of earthy and just a little bit of everything mixed in between. So if that sounds good to you, like I said, I hope you consider subscribing today because I would love to have you. And if you are not from Kaylin's channel, be sure to check out her channel if you haven't already. I'm sure most of you have. I'm sure you love her content. She is currently building a new house. It is almost finished and she just has a very pretty style. So definitely head over to her. Definitely if you enjoy farmhouse style and just a modern flair on things, she's definitely your go-to girl. So anyway, let's go ahead to Hobby Lobby now, and then like I said, we will come right back here for the haul. Alright you guys, so the first section that we wanted to look at were the floral picks for Christmas. So they did have a lot of pretty ones, I think. I was definitely drawn towards the berries and the more natural green looking picks. Those were my go-tos for this year, and I really love these. So these were large, they were $13.99, and we did go to Hobby Lobby twice. The first time we went, everything was 50% off, and the second time we went, everything was 60% off. So I didn't end up purchasing anything the first trip. I was kind of just going to scope it out and see if there was anything in particular that I wanted to bring home with me. But the second trip I did end up purchasing things and I ended up getting it 60% off, so that was amazing. And I will say too, for whatever reason our Hobby Lobby did not have everything out yet. Both times we went, they ended up not having any stockings out and like Christmas wrapping and things like that. So I don't really know what that was all about, but anyways, I did get clips of everything else that they had to offer, and I think they had a really good selection. Like I said, the picks and the greenery, the Christmas trees, garlands, all of those things, those are definitely my favorites at Hobby Lobby. And then they had some really cute just decorative tabletop decor and things like that as well. I thought that these picks were really interesting. They were actually shaped like a Christmas tree. So if you wanted to do some type of a DIY, these would be really easy because like I said, they're already shaped like a tree. You can just stick it in some foam, put it in a planter of whatever you wanted, like a basket or an actual like ceramic planter or something like that. And that would be a really easy, simple DIY, and you can put it pretty much anywhere throughout your home. Hobby Lobby also had some really pretty garland to choose from. I will say though, it was definitely on the pricier end, even with the sale, in my opinion. So I would definitely check out elsewhere as far as garland or like those kind of basic things that you want as filler or just pops of decor for your seasonal decorating. But nonetheless, they did have some really pretty options, like I said. If you like doing Christmas crafts or Christmas DIYs, Hobby Lobby does have a good selection of those. I really thought that this nativity scene was super cute. You can leave that plain or have your kiddos paint it or something like that. They also had some of these like paper mache ornaments, which are also really pretty to either leave as is on a tree, or you can paint those or something as well. And they also had some of those stoneware looking ornaments that were already made up. I know those are really popular to make for seasonal decorating when it comes to DIYs and like just the DIY Christmas ornaments. But you can go to Hobby Lobby. Like I said, right now you can get them 60% off, and I want to say they were $2 for a pack of 2, but then 60% off of that. So you truly cannot beat that price. Saves a lot of time and honestly a lot of money as well. When it comes to Christmas ornaments this year, I am looking just for the traditional ball type ornaments like you guys see here in these clips. And I was having a hard time trying to find the exact colors that I was looking for to incorporate into my home. And Hobby Lobby did end up coming in clutch. The first trip, like I said, I didn't end up buying anything, but then the second trip, when I got it like nailed down exactly what I wanted, they had exactly what I wanted, and I was so excited about that. So you guys will see at the end of today's video in the haul portion which ones I ended up picking up, but I am super thrilled with them. And like I said, 60% off, even better, makes me even more excited knowing that I saved a decent amount of money. bells that Hobby Lobby had to choose from were very pretty. That one with the leather green strap, I actually have that one from last year and I really like that one. And then all of these brass and kind of gold colored ones, those are super pretty as well. Definitely think that those are popular this year. I've pretty much seen those everywhere it seems like that I've been so far, but I really like the look of them. If you are looking for a holiday doormat, Hobby Lobby had a really good selection of these, and these were very inexpensive. I think originally they were like less than $30 and then 60% off, so super good deal on those. And then I also thought that this really large bell was so cute. If you had somewhere big enough to put that, maybe even on a front porch or something, that would be adorable. Another section I really like to look at are the tiny little picks, like the filler picks. These are really good for tablescapes. I personally like to put these in my hutch just as pops of greenery and things like that, and I just think it's a really great selection. You can get these for excellent prices as well. I thought the ones here with the bell were super cute. I'd never seen those before, so definitely interesting. All right, you guys, I thought Hobby Lobby had some really pretty picks. In particular, of course, they have beautiful Christmas trees, and then I lucked out and found some Christmas ornaments that I was trying to find online, and I was just having a terrible time trying to find them, but I found them today when we went to Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and get into this haul portion. So I'm just going to start picking up some things. It's not a huge haul by any means, but I do want to say this video was filmed in 2 different parts. So the first time we went, it was kind of a bust. Everything was not out yet in our Hobby Lobby, and so we went back a second time. The second time, all of the Christmas stuff was 60% off, which I am shocked. I feel like it is never that discounted this early in the season, especially with it being beginning of November. But it worked out in our favor, so we got all the things 60% off, which is amazing. So the first thing that I picked up were these shatterproof ornaments. So I was looking for some matte red ornaments, and they can be a little pricey online, and I wasn't having any luck. And the day that we went to Hobby Lobby the second time, I was able to find some. So they are just, like I said, this matte red. They kind of have a little bit of texture to them, and they are beautiful. So these were originally $7.99 and then 60% off. If I'm doing the math correctly, and if I remember correctly, I think I only paid like $3.20 for this box. Super affordable. I love these. I only grabbed 1 box, and I should have probably grabbed more than 1, but anyway, super pretty. The next set of ornaments that I grabbed are these. So these are another matte red ornament. These are a little larger than the ones that I just showed you guys. I ended up getting 3 boxes of these. Again, these were 60% off as well. So originally $9.99, and they were only $4. So I got 12 ornaments for $12. You cannot beat that at all. You can get the exact same things at the Dollar Tree, so for the prices, but for Hobby Lobby, I thought that was really good. I absolutely love this color. Like I said, this year I am definitely going towards traditional, but more of a classy, kind of moody traditional, if that makes sense. So no glitter or anything like that, but I really love the matte ornament. So I found the red ones, and then I ordered some matte velvet green ones on Amazon. I will be sharing that in a video coming up soon, an Amazon Christmas decor haul. Super excited for that one too, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, these are so pretty. I love them. I also love that the sizes are like, I have the smaller ones and the bigger ones, so they'll just kind of be popping out throughout the tree. So super pretty. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was greenery. So this is a bundle of like pine, and it has the pine cones on it as well. This is a pretty decent size. I've actually purchased one of these every year for, this is the 3rd year now, so I love these. I always do like big arrangements and whatnot, and this is just very easy to just stick in a vase and you're basically done. Fluff it out a little bit, you can add to it if you want, but I always just like the real natural green look. So this is originally $19.99 and then it was 60% off. So I ended up paying $8 for this huge bundle. I don't think that's bad at all. If you want to, you could definitely like break this up and put it elsewhere throughout your home, or you can just, like I said, just use it for one arrangement. So this is what it looks like up close. It's just a really pretty natural pine, like I said, and it has a few pine cones mixed in there as well. I really love these and I wanted to pick another one up this year. That way I have an extra if I need it. Okay, so last but not least, I picked up a really large pick here with just the berries on it. So if you guys are new to my channel, you will catch on very quickly. I love large statement arrangements in my home. I do decorate with a less is more concept, so having a large arrangement here and there throughout my home is kind of like the ticket for me. So I don't know if you guys can see one back there or not. I think it's actually out of the clip, but anyway, I have one every single season. So for Christmas, I'm wanting to do some natural pine and I wanted some berries, but I wanted these picks to be very tall and like kind of luxurious looking and just very beautiful. So anyway, I lucked out. I found these at Hobby Lobby. I ended up picking up 2 of these picks. They are so pretty. Like I said, they just have like the natural stems on there, and then the berries. These berries do have kind of a shine to them. There's no glitter or anything, but they're not totally matte. So let me see if I can get that. There we go. Has a little bit of a shine. These are so pretty, and like I said, these are really tall. So these were originally $13.99 and then I got them 60% off. So I think they were around $5 or $6 whenever I purchased them. Not bad at all. Absolutely love these, and I'm really looking forward to putting them together here in my living room. That's where these will be going, in a large arrangement. So be on the lookout for that in an upcoming Decorate With Me video. Alright, you guys, so that is my haul from Hobby Lobby. I'm really excited with the things that I found this year and definitely excited about the prices. Like I said, 60% off everything right now. I don't know why, but I'm thrilled about it. So anyways, like I said, if you guys are new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you here in this space. I do typically post 1 to 2 videos a week, and for this Christmas season, I'm trying to do 2 to 3 videos a week. So I have lots of content that I'm trying to cover over the next month and a half, and I'm just really looking forward to sharing it all with you guys. So you don't want to miss out. Definitely hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post. Also check me out over on Instagram. I do like to share over there pretty much every single day, just more day in the lifestyle things, kind of behind the scenes and whatnot. So I'll leave my handle linked right here. But like I said, thank you guys so much for being here today. Don't forget to head to Kaylin's channel and check out her video as well. And I know she has a haul too, so you don't want to miss out on that. So thank you guys so much for being here today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.